Hello and finally welcome Croeso to Wales in the Movies. My name is Nick and this here is the iShow. First off, a big thank you, diolch yn fawr to everyone supported Wales in the Movies online efforts so far. That appreciation I'm getting on Facebook, Tumblr, YouTube and of course Twitter definitely motivates me to stand here today expanding the channel and feeling a bit tough. So again, thank you very much for that, I really appreciate it. Secondly, a bit of an apology, I don't really know what I'm doing yet, guys. Like, I know the montage behind me might look semi-swift kind of thing, but trust me, beyond this camera, wires, lights, lawnmowers and all sorts. This here iShed is about 2 meters wide by about 3 meters in length. You might even hear the Penarth clock tower, the birds crowing and all the delivery vans. Rest assured, I'm going to get better at this and we're going to have content that Wales in the Movies can really be proud of. So again, thank you very much. Also, it's only fair to let you know what you can expect from Wales in the Movies from now on and why you're going to be watching Wales in the Movies. First of all, what are we going to be uploading? What are you going to get? And it's pretty simple really. We're going to be uploading on Monday through to Wednesday movie content. Now, not only the latest cinema releases, but also classic DVDs and most importantly, every single Welsh film, past, present, future, all to be getting full reviews here in the iShed Wales in the Movies. So the bulk of it is going to be iShed reviews. Also iShed lists, top fives, bottom fives, worst ofs, best ofs. You've seen it 1,000 times on YouTube. We're going to be getting involved in all that too. If you've got any ideas, get typing down below. iShed documentaries. I'd love to be able to show standalone documentaries on this channel. I've got a couple I want to show myself. If you've got an idea, seed of an idea or a project or something you feel like Wales in the Movies can maybe be an outlet for you, please get in touch. There's a couple I'd love to show already and I'll touch on that later on in the video. iShed script analysis, taking mainstream movies, looking at the script work, breaking down the act structure, breaking down the writing, coming at Wales in the Movies from a more educational perspective. And you're also going to be getting plenty of standalone vlogs, but initially from the beginning, Monday through to Wednesday, Welsh movie content. The bulk of it's going to be iShed reviews. Why are you watching Wales in the Movies? Why am I starting Wales in the Movies? Now, to answer those questions, I'm going to have to get a wee bit more personal for a minute. So, why am I starting Wales in the Movies? Well, that's a very good question. Thanks a lot for asking, because I'm such an interesting guy. Genuinely, this kind of human vessel you see in front of you, I'm 37 years old now, I've travelled around quite a fair bit. I'm not going to go all fucking into the wild on you or anything like that. I've never been to the USA, never been to Africa, I've never been to any part of America for that matter. However, I've hung around in quite a few kind of backpacking type communities. Also, I've taught EFL or ESL or TEFL, or whatever you want to call it, for on and off 10 years, and that exposes you to every type of country. And I just like kind of hanging out with these guys and asking questions. And anyway, pure digression. What I'm trying to say is I've spoken to a lot of foreigners. Now, in those chats, it's evident to me, I'm sorry to say, Welsh people and Cymrophiles all over the world, that 8 to 9 out of 10 people really have no idea where or what Wales is, and if they do, they think it's kind of some kind of shire of England, like Yorkshire, something like this. Now, I think this is a silly situation. I'd like to see it improved, so that might give you, if you want to put me on the couch, that might give you some clues as to kind of psychologically and what motivates me to start this channel and why I want to see Wales in the Movies represented better. Why are you watching Wales in the Movies? There's loads of reasons why you could be watching. Maybe you're a Welsh person and you just want to see Welsh language represented in a positive and refreshing light. Maybe you're from outside Wales and you're researching the country for the first time. Maybe you're an expat who lives outside Wales and wants to touch base from home. Maybe you just like the sound of my voice. Now, that really would make you a weirdo. The most important thing is that I'm going to give you a lot more reasons why you should be watching Wales in the Movies. Now, on that note, I've got a few people now to thank, so just bear with me for a moment, please. So before we sign off and I send you the links to the first 2 Wales in the Movies videos, I got something to show you. It's this. This is a Fresh award, won in the Welsh language category this week. So I just want to say thank you very much to Fresh for giving me the award. It's for a Welsh film we made called Record. If you follow me on Twitter, there you go, Record. If you follow us on Wales in the Movies on Twitter or on YouTube, you may have seen me plugging this over the last year or so. It was made with a colleague of mine called Alberto Riazor Gil from Barcelona, who was shot by a very talented DOP called George Morris. who lives in Usk, made with the actress Melissa Berry and the musician Gareth Bonello, aka The Gentle Good. They all really came through for me, and I just want to say to those guys, thank you very much. But also I want to dedicate this award to everybody who's supported Wales in the Movies online so far, like I mentioned at the beginning. Now, you guys could be people who follow it on all channels like Tumblr, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or people who make consistent effort to support Wales in the Movies. And when you do that, I really get that you understand and appreciate what we're trying to do here at this channel. So, and Evans, loads of retweets, thank you very much. Alwyn Apu, plenty of retweets. Chicago Tafia, I love seeing those Welsh organisations out in the US. I met a Cymru in Kerry Shaw, put Wales in the Movies at the front of their website channel for about a year. Loads of people saw Wales in the Movies on YouTube for the first time. Stephen Biddiscombe, loads of retweets. Craig Walters, loads of retweets. Sean Edmire Richards, loads of retweets. Rita at Beadbark on Tumblr, at Beadbark on Twitter. Tuckish Girl also on Tumblr. Thanks very much for all your support on Tumblr, Tuckish Girl. Mr. Taft Angles, whoever you are, loads of retweets. Eris Culpepper, I noticed, thank you very much, my friend. Sean Thomas Owen, thank you very much. Floyd Owen, Joanne Dyer, Hugh Marshall, loads of retweets. Melissa Berry, Neil Evans, Jeff W is very amusing, and check him out on Twitter. I know how important it is for Jeff that I say that. Di Barnaby at Cymru Culture. Fan Damien Lewis, thanks for all your retweets. Richard Burton Museum, enough said. Dominique from Switzerland. Dominique, thank you so much for all your retweets. Judy Brooks, thanks very much. The Schizo Podcaster at UK Schizophrenic, check this guy out. Barry P, Jeff Towns, Jonathan Nutlands, Johnny Valley Boy, mate, you know it's coming. Thank you so much. You retweet me all the time. I know you make an effort to do this. I don't take it for granted for 1 second. I feel the same as you. You know that. Just keep it going, mate. Thank you so much, honestly. Gaynor Maddock Leonard, author of the Command and Underground series of novels. Sid Morgan, Penn Bedu, David, Yestin Hughes, Stephen R. Moore, Stephen Coltrane, J.D. Davis, Joseph Amacho, Steve Amos, at Welsh Bluesman. Thank you, Steve. David Mihangel, Mary Kiesling. She's retweeting Wales in the Movies all the time out in the United States, and that's basically why we're here. Mary, diolch yn fawr iawn. Pongo, nice one. Sarah Miller, Floyd Griffiths, Kathleen Walker, Dylan Thomas News, Ferg, Amelia Davis, Henrietta Sandwich, and Annette Straunch. I just want to say, all of you, you rock. You guys, with all your appreciation on the internet, really let me know that there's a demand for this channel and that people want to see Welsh content. So thanks very much. And down below in the links, you should be seeing the first 2 I shared Wales in the Movies videos. As they say in Landau, ciao for now.